Hey there, Marion Elementary second graders. This is Mr. Davis. I hope you're doing well. I'm going to be sharing with you some science activities that go along with the science unit that you found for week 1 in your packet. That packet activity deals with thunderstorms. So we're going to be continuing our weather unit that we've been working on at the school. This week I'll be sharing with you a couple poems from a wonderful author by the name of Shel Silverstein. His book in A Light in the Attic and Where the Sidewalk Ends are both wonderful books that you can find fun poems and drawings by him about different things, and I'll be sharing some of those about weather. In regards to some science experiments that we're going to be doing, if you want to go ahead and gather these materials and have them ready this week, we'll be doing these on Thursday and Friday. You're going to need some cotton balls, some shaving cream, a large clear container, either glass or plastic, some water, some food coloring, any color will work, I have blue, markers, crayons or colored pencils, whichever you have there at the house, and a piece of blank either notebook paper or copy paper, or any other paper that you have there at home. So I'm looking very forward to helping you do these activities and working with you this week through our YouTube videos. I'm excited for it and hope to see you soon. Bye.